Charles pan-fried chicken.
What's up, guys? I got some Charles pan-fried chicken from New York. The one, I believe, on 72nd Street. I got two dinners. One with a side of grits and macaroni and cheese. The grits are nice and buttery. The string beans are delicious. Potato salad's good. Mac and cheese is old school. That tastes good. The chicken, it's very good. You can tell it was cooked in a cast iron pan. And I got some turkey smothered in gravy. It's real good. It falls right off the bone. Anyway, that's Charles pan-fried chicken. I'd give it a double thumbs up if I had to rate. It's really good.